Hi there, I'm Estefania Morantes and this is my reflective video for Character Place and Simulation Folio 2. In response to the archival object, I created an interactive website and an Easter egg hunt game where you explore each weekly theme and collect clues hidden inside them. Once you have collected all the clues, you can help Kevin get tickets to the best party ever. My original idea was to make a compilation of minigames, each one using different inputs and controllers based on the weekly themes. But very quickly, it became way too complicated to complete within the time we had. With the help from Noah and my classmates, I simplified the concept into an Easter egg hunt. The first idea for this Easter egg hunt was going to be a mystery game about saving a bunny, something inspired by Doki Doki Literature Club. But after going over it with my friends, they pointed out that a creepy narrative could feel too out of place and take away from the actual themes of the weekly works. So I kept the idea for the Easter egg hunt, but shifting the tone to something really fun, light and cute, a better match for the overall project. Each theme is represented inside an egg, and every egg contains a hidden clue. The player has to interact with the project, solve the clue, sum up all the clues that they found, and help Kevin. This is how each week is represented. Theme 1, Observation, find all the hidden eggs in the valley. Theme 2, Tinkering, match the animal sound to the right face, or maybe not. Theme 3, Found Objects, count all the M&Ms or simply click on them. Theme 4, Place, change the background to affect the bunny's mood. Theme 5, Object-Oriented Ontology, watch how many eggs are dancing and having fun. Theme 6, Time, play with the time and look when the flower is fully bloomed. Theme 7, Character, Places and Events, watch the character get embarrassed by changing the context and the situation and find the hidden clue. Theme 8, Forces, play with the stripes on the egg and create your own pattern. And also the clue is hidden in plain sight. After solving everything, you can submit the final answer and party with Kevin. The second half of the semester really helped me explore interactivity and game design in a new way. I got to play with gameplay mechanics, puzzle logic, and even UX UI design for the website. Visually, I lean into the cute, round, and minimalistic styles, mostly because it gave me more space to focus on the interactive experience and how it feels to explore it. I discovered that I really enjoy short, experimental projects, those that give me a chance to try something new without needing everything to be perfect. They have pushed me to get better at making quick decisions and letting go of ideas when they don't work. My favorite piece was definitely the archival object itself. It let me bring all the smaller projects together in a playful, rewarding way. It also reminded me how important it is to adapt, and sometimes a simple idea can be more effective than a really complicated one. Overall, I think this subject really helped me grow both as a designer and a thinker. Even when things didn't go exactly to the plan, it encouraged me to experiment, reflect, and think differently and just enjoy the process. Thank you! Hello, this is a playthrough of my archival object. This is the website for Kevin. Kevin is a bunny that is very excited because this is his first Easter, and you can help him find all the clues inside an Easter egg hunt and sum up all the clues together so you can get VIP tickets for the best party ever. So let's go to the garden. In the garden, we can find week 1 observation. For the theme of observation, your goal is to find all the hidden Easter eggs through the valley. Make sure to find them all as you need them all for your clues. And here's the first clue. How many eggs are hiding? Let's see. There are seven eggs hiding. Yep. And you can find also these Easter egg bunnies. Let's click one and see what happens. So going back, we have they are ordered in the order of the colors of the rainbow. So we have first of all red. We have week 2 tinkering. For the theme of tinkering, you can explore hidden animals and hear the sounds they make. Some might match, but others might surprise you. Have fun. Here's the clue. The clue is, what does the fox say? So let's see. We have a goat, horse, cat, dog, chicken. And finally we have the fox. 7. So we have number 7 for our clue. Going back to the garden, we can keep looking. Next we have orange. That is right here. Orange is week 3. We have found objects. For the theme of found objects, I made an interactive piece imagining what happens inside a pencil box when no one is watching, using illustrations and sound in Google Slides. exploring playful hidden words. Here's a clue, how many M&Ms are there, so we can count them, or we can go and play with the project. For this project, I was imagining how will a child or a kid imagine what is happening inside the pencil box, so we have all various noises. And we have the M&Ms.
31.
So 31, that is how many M&Ms are there. Moving on, we have yellow, we have week for place, we have for the team of place, you can switch between different backgrounds to change the bunny's mood. Each setting affects how it feels. Choose wisely. Here's a clue. Where is the bunny the happiest? So for the scene 1 garden, we can see that he's kind of bored. Moving on, we have a scene 2 forest, he's basically the same mood. But for scene 3, an alternative pop, he's much happier. So that is clue number 3. Then we have the green egg, that is object-oriented ontology. For this one, I will turn the volume down. For the team of object-oriented ontology, I made a stop-motion animation about the eggs dancing in the carton by editing their movements to the music. I gave them a playful life until one of them returned to their intended purpose. Here's the clue. What is the highest number of eggs? So we can see that the highest number of eggs was 10. So clue number 10. Then we have blue for week 6. We have time. For the team of time, I created a looping animation, an interactive flip book showing a flower growing into a bouquet. It explores cycles of growth and change, letting the viewer control time through the interaction. The clue is, what time is the flower bloom the most? So we see at 4 a.m. he's super sleepy, he's not bloom at all. Then we have more growth, movement. And at 1 p.m. it is fully bloom, and then it goes back to the original one, and we can loop it and forever. Going back to the, and also we have this footer there always ready for us to submit the code if we have it. Then we have purple, that is week 8 for us, but to keep it simple, I put it week 7. Character, places, and events. In response to this theme, I created an interactive piece about the discomfort of being overly self-aware. It explores how our comfort with attention shifts depending on the context. Let's see. So we can see the character pretty embarrassed, and the clue is, how many shoes is he wearing? That is very simple, 2. So clue number 2. Then moving on, we saw purple, yes. We have pink. For pink, we have week 8, forces. For the team of forces, you can interact with this egg by changing its 3 stripes into different shapes and colors, showing how constraints can shape and alter reality. So we can manipulate that as much as we want. Let me choose that one. The clue for this one is, how many stripes does the egg have? 3. So that is clue number 3. And if we sum all of them together, we should have our answer. But this one, of course, is already okay. That one was unlocked because. So if we sum up all our answers, we should have our final clue. Our final clue should be 64. So just for the sake of So just for the sake of testing out, if we submit any other number, let's say 2223, it doesn't work. 12, it doesn't work. It has to be 64. So we could help Kevin get into the party. Also in the footer we have all the credit for all the assets and the music that I used, just in case anybody wanted to check them out. So if we go back to Kevin, thank you for helping me. Let's party with Kevin. And that's it. You can party with Kevin forever. Thank you for checking out my and that's it. You can party with Kevin forever. Thank you for checking out my archival object, and see you soon.